So now I'm just going to go over how to find out your institution's namespace, as well as a few other helpful tips. So as you may know, your institution's namespace is required when creating a collection. So if you need to find out that information, all you have to do is go to the main collections website. That is collections.ctdigitalarchive.org. Once you are on the main page of the site, you just scroll down to the bottom and you should see a tiny namespaces link. So if you click on that, you should see a list of every institution that takes part in the Connecticut Digital Archive, alongside with their respective namespaces. So all you have to do is find your institution, and the namespace should be right next to it. Besides that, there's also a link to the About page, as well as to pages about participation, policies, and services. And if you go to above that, there's a link to the CTDA event calendar, as well as to pages about technology. And then there's the current as well as past newsletters. There's a link to the CTDA participants list. That is sort of like a message board made up of CTDA members. However, you do not need to be a member to be able to view the posts. And then there's a link to the CTDA SlideShare page. The SlideShare page is helpful because there's a number of slideshows as well as documents which go over various processes. So, if you run into a problem and the answer is not in one of these videos, you could check out the SlideShare page and see if you could find out the answer there. So that is how you find out your institution's namespace, as well as a few other helpful tips.